this is what we are currently working with. I love Colourpop. Colourpop is a brand that's very affordable, and the products, the formulas itself are very impressive, to be honest, for the price. You have this beautiful right here thing, and it comes with a mirror, a decent sized mirror. It's not like a small or too big mirror. There is 16 eyeshadows. I believe you pay like $30 for it, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave the price on the screen. The first color that caught my eye in this palette was that emerald green, and this is the theme of it. Kaleidoscope, I believe that's how you say it. These are her actual eyes. This packaging is really cool. I've never seen anything like it. I feel like it's very unique, and I can really, the green reminds me of Karen a lot, just because the green, this reminds me of like the plants, and her house is full of plants. She loves green plants. But yeah, these two, this one's calling my attention too, so I'm gonna go ahead and have to do another look with that eyeshadow, because these two are the ones that caught my eye at first glance. It blends out really easily. All the shades are really pigmented. Matte shades are easy to place. They're not patchy. I really like them. I'm just in love with this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how these colors work on my eyelids. I'm going to let it speak for itself. That was a really long intro, dude. I feel like I talked a lot. Start off with a fluffy brush. This is the Wet n Wild. I believe this is like a... Why am I out of breath? A blending brush, one of their blending brushes, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the color Canela, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my crease. Canela on the pan looks beautiful. Canela on the eyelid looks amazing. So I'm gonna place that on my eyelid, not on my eyelid, on my crease where I want it. I want to focus this. I want this to be the main like pop of color, the main color to blend everything in the crease with. And I'm gonna go ahead and drag it in and extend it out in a V. After that's blended, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little more on the brush, pick up a little more on the brush, and I'm gonna apply another layer, again placing it where I want it first and then blending it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this color does have like little gold reflexes in it, and it just looks so beautiful. I feel like this would be a really nice all over lid shade, like smoky, kind of like a smoky eye with this lid. Ooh, with a pop of gold, or maybe a gold liner, maybe a gold cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Euphoric, which is like a lighter, I feel like a lighter version of Canela with a little bit more orange or coral. So I'm going to place that right under and blend it up into the crease, mainly focusing it right here, like at the top of the crease. We're going to brighten this up, and then whatever's left, then blend it out to the side so that it can blend, so that it could all blend. I'm going to go ahead and do that one more time with Euphoric, a little bit more, again right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that Lomo shade, which is the brighter pink in my opinion, or the brighter coral pink. And I'm going to pop that right in the middle. Right around there. Oh, I probably put too much, bro. And then I'm going to blend that out. See how like over here it pops a little bit out there? That's basically what we're doing right here. This pointed pencil brush here. And I'm going to go ahead and take the shade, what is it called? Moody. That's me all the time. I'm going to take a little bit of it, tap off the excess, and I'm going to focus this on my outer corner right here. Keeping it low. I don't want it to go too far into the crease. And then trying to create that smaller. Taking whatever's left on this brush and blending it up here. We want to keep this our top shade. We don't want it, the green, to go so over. And then we're going to take a little bit more of Move, focus it down here to make it deep. This shade does have a lot of pickup, kind of like, it reminds me of the Anastasia ones, to be honest. I've been using this CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the color Fair Beige. I've been using this to clean my eyebrows and cut my crease. I don't breathe, kind of like when I do my eyeliner. I'm gonna let that kind of like dry a little. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that pencil brush again and take a little bit more of Moody. Just a little bit. Tap off the excess, and we're gonna blend the outer corners right here with the base that we just put down. Make that kind of fade. Alright, then I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Sandalwood. Yep. I'm gonna take the shade. I'm gonna find a Skittle. Where's the brush? Oh, and I'm gonna apply that. Oh, I messed it up. Open. And I'm going to apply that shade to my lid. I'm going to take a little more green and blend it in a little more. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the same thing that I used to cut my crease, and I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. Shade Emerald Dream, which is that beautiful, beautiful green. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Lucido. I don't know if it's Lucido or Lucido. Lucido or Lucido. But that's going to be my inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to place that here. And this one up a little more. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyelashes and my concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Canela, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line and blend it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of Lomo, and I'm going to apply that just in the center of the eye, just to brighten it up right there. So this is basically the final freaking look. I love it so much. I want to add a little bit of green to my outer corner, so I'm going to take a little bit of the Emerald Green, tap off the exit, and apply it right down here and connect it. Maybe even inside like that. Yep. Ooh, this is my favorite color in the palette. I'm going to take a little bit of Mesmerize, and it's actually this second shade that I wanted to try. Just a little bit, just to kind of have something different, I don't know. I did go ahead and pick up one of her liquid lipsticks. I got the one in Sueño de Coco. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips first with the Bodyography Barely There lip pencil to line my lips. I love this pencil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take Sueño de Coco and apply that. I think I forgot to put highlight on. I love this shade. I feel like it's perfect for any skin. Definitely my cup of tea, and it goes with every look. I usually don't like these types of colors like browns because, and it's really hard for me to find like a good brown nude, not too warm but not too cool, because when I do wear like dark browns I feel like I look like a chola because I look like my mom. My mom's not a chola, but like when she wears like lip liner, like it looks like just like back in the day chola vibes, you know. I am a person that owns a lot of warm toned palettes, and I'm pretty sure I have colors like these in my collection, but I feel confident enough to say that every shade in this palette is unique, and you definitely need this palette in your collection. The pigmentation is like no other. I love it. Like I said, if Colourpop's is amazing, and with a little hint of Iluvsarahii, it just kind of made it like gold, bro, gold. You guys definitely want this, I'm telling you. And the liquid lips, obviously I love them. And I really hope I did justice to your palette. Overall, I really hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like the video, comment any video suggestions down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video.